Yo, hey, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this darling hair trimmer with the model number DL1316. So, stay tuned, man. Alright. So, here we go again. This is the box. And these are the accessories inside. So, got 5 watts. And got 2 hours charging time and 120 minutes operating time. It's good. And nothing else on the body. So let's open it up, man. As you can see, there was oil inside. See that? So this is the manual. This is the hair trimmer. And what else inside? Charging cable, and it's a USB Type-C. Blade protector and 3 guide combs. Yes, it's slippery because of the oil. So there was oil inside. So I'm gonna take the blade protector out and back again inside. See that? There's oil. So this is the hair trimmer. Really small. Got USB Type-C. Three hours charging time. Okay, so let's turn it on, man. As you can see, does it turns on? And there was a story behind that. When I got it, so I tried to turn it on and it was on. And when I tried to turn it off, it couldn't turn off because of the oil that spilled inside. So then I contacted Dali Hair Clippers on AliExpress, and they told me they're gonna send me another one because I showed them everything, the pictures and videos, you know, all those stuffs. So they decided to send me a new one. So I said, okay, let me just buy one more thing from their store so they can just put this one inside. So I bought this one and they added this one inside. So this is the new one. See that? But the zero gapping of this old one I like better. Really zero gapped. And this one, it's too much. See that? So this one is really perfect. So I'm gonna put this blade on this one It's not a fast trimmer, but for a home use, it's okay. So I'm gonna put this blade on this one. So since this one is somehow zero gapped, I'm gonna put this one on the other one. And this is the shaft. This blade looks sharp. This blade looks sharp, but the motor on this trimmer is too slow. So that's it for the unboxing, and well, let me make an RPM test. I almost forgot. Okay.